Welcome to this lesson on solving physics problems with confidence using a powerful strategy known as the guess method. Whether you are studying motion or any other topic in physics, this method will guide you to the right answer every time. What is the guess method? The guess method is a simple and effective 5-step plan to solve any physics question. Each letter stands for a step: given, unknown, equation, substitute, and solve. Let's explore each step one by one. Always begin by reading the question carefully. This helps you understand what is given and what is unknown, and ensures you catch every detail. Step 1. G is for given. After carefully reading the question, write out the given parameters from the question. In this case, initial velocity equals 0 meter per second. Acceleration equals 2 meter per second squared. Time equals 5 seconds. However, for you to be able to identify your given parameters, you must be able to correctly identify the units of each quantity. In physics, numbers alone do not carry identity. You cannot simply say, the object is 10, and expect anyone to understand what you're referring to. The unit gives the number meaning. For example, the number 10 can mean different things depending on the unit. If it's 10 meters, we are talking about distance. If it's 10 seconds, we are measuring time. If it's 10 kilograms, we are talking about mass. 10 meters per second is speed, 10 newtons is force, and 10 joules is energy. So in physics, for you to fully identify your given parameters, you should know their units. Step 2. U is for unknown. Now identify the unknown, the quantity the question asks you to find. Step 3. E is for equation. Select the right formula. Pick the one that includes all your known values and your unknown. For example, if initial velocity, u, acceleration, a, and time, t are known or given, and you want to find the distance, s, then the best equation to use is s equals ut plus half at squared. Step 4. S is for substitute. Substitute the values carefully into the equation. Include the units while writing them. Step 5. We solve. Now calculate the result. Your answer should include both the number and the correct unit. Let's solve this step by step using the guess method. A cyclist begins at 4 meters per second, accelerates at 2 meters per second squared, and travels 40 meters. We are asked to find the final speed. Let's write out the given parameters. From the question, the initial velocity is 4 meters per second. The acceleration is 2 meters per second squared. And the distance covered is 40 meters. U is for unknown. The question is asking us to find the final speed, which is represented by v. Step 3. E is for equation. Since time is not given, we need a formula that does not use time. The best fit is v squared equals u squared plus 2as. Why this equation? It uses u, a, and s, the values we have, and lets us find v. Other formulas like v equals u plus at won't work here because time is not given from the question. We now plug in the values into the formula. So, v squared equals 4 squared plus 2 times 2 times 40. Now we simplify. 4 squared is 16. 2 times 2 times 40 gives us 160. So, v squared equals 16 plus 160. 16 plus 160 equals 176. So v squared equals 176. To find v, take the square root of 176. That gives approximately 13.3 meters per second. Now it's your turn. Try solving any physics question using the guess method. Remember, write down what's given, identify what you're solving for, choose the right equation, substitute the values, and solve step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your classmates. Let's master physics together. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.